So, gotta finish.
Bring something down. So I gotta finish. So I gotta put that right here underneath.
Okay, so like, 4, 0. Okay, how many times is 5 going to 5? 5 goes 500 times. Well, you got 1 more. So finish it off.
So you gotta put that.
And another,
Hold on. Excuse me? But before you do that, how do you know that's 4? What goes in there?
no.
Except,
Oh,
okay, so keep going. You're on the right track, keep going. No, because 7 is 7 as well. 7 minus 7 is 1. Okay, so go back and fix. Finish.
So I gotta put that
You tell me. Okay,
right
so now finish. So finish.
here.
So finish. I'm not gonna tell you, but you should finish.
Well, you can't walk down the hallway with no shoes.
I did like 9 hours
Where's your shoes, Mommy?
in my classroom.
Okay, well, go to the bathroom. Your feet gonna get wet because I'm sure the flat floor in the bathroom is wet.
But not that.
Go.
I did. I mean, went to teachers to say.
Oh,
I'm the
sorry.
teacher.
I was
Go to
gonna-
that. Miss Golden, I'm sending Molly to the bathroom.
I'm not gonna come back. I can't do it. It's too big now.
Better. There you go. Hold on. We're not gonna go.
Oh yeah, I know what it's.
There you go. Fix it.
What?
Okay, right there.
Oh.
So, no, backtrack. So, don't you start over, please.
Yeah. How are you finished already?
Worry about your back. Calm down. It's okay, it's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. Shh. Try it again. I'm about to go over with you. Come on. Thank you. Keep showing. Take your time, don't rush. Because I see that some of your mistakes are coming from you guys rushing. Please stop with me. Thank you. Good moment. Thank you. Good job. Go. Thank you for fixing it. So. Okay. So, 4 goes into 1. 4 goes into 4 how many times? 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups do I have 4 with? So that means 1 times 4 is 4. Now let me subtract. 4 minus 4 is 9. Bring down my 4. Okay, 4 goes into 4 how many times? 4 goes into 4 how many times? 1 moment. I have 4. How many groups do I have? So that means 1 times 4 as well. 4. Okay? I'm going to give you another one on what you do like so. Okay? Because you're getting it, which is great, but you forget to write your answers at the top. Okay? So you got to write your answers at the top, which is my portion. Go. Are your numbers lined up?
What? It is like a.
Please check your answer. Are your numbers lined up?
God.
We have to line up our numbers, because if we don't line up our numbers, is our answer completely correct?
No.
It's not. Okay, so I need you to make sure you are lining up your numbers, please. Because when you start adding additional numbers, and then you gotta multiply, and you have all your numbers in one column, you're not gonna know what to do. Okay? You'll be okay, you got this. You got this. Yes, thank you. So this is the last set, and then we're gonna go to our next set of numbers. One moment. Yes, you do. You're doing it the same way you just did. Are your numbers in the correct place value, ma'am?
I don't know how to do it.
Yes, you do. You just can do. Backtrack.
No.
How did you get 9 when you have all these up here? Backtrack. So one moment, please. Okay. Yes, you do. Slow down. Start with your 4 goes. 4 goes into 4 how many times?
0.
One moment, ma'am. 4 goes into 4 how many times? Draw your group of 4. Excuse me, draw 4. Now how many groups of that do you have?
1.
So 4 goes into 4 how many times?
1.
There you go. Now work it out. Thank you. Sorry. One moment. Go ahead and erase question. Go ahead and erase. Back door, go ahead and erase. Yes, you do. Slow down. Slow down. Stop. Stop. Don't you slow down. So, 4 goes into 1 how many times? One time. Go. You 2 minutes. Go. 1 times 4 is how much? 4. You see how I carried my 1?
I put the 4 right there.
Okay, correct. But then we're saying 4 minus 4 is what?
0.
And we have to bring down what number? Yes. Okay. Now we're saying 4 goes into 4 how many times?
4. 1.
You carry back up. 1 times 4 is?
1 times 4.
It's the same thing you've been doing. Just because the numbers change doesn't mean the process changed. Same thing. All right, great job, you guys.
Can I do one more problem?
Yes, perfect. Go ahead and write your board. All right, so this is going to be yours right here. While I do them doing, okay? And then I'll come back and check it. All right, so perfect. So next, we are now going to begin to look at right here. So we're now masters at, when we say 33 divided by 3, so we're now masters at 2 digit by 1 digits. So when we now say 2 digit by 1 digit for division, you're now masters at it. You got it. So now we're going to begin to look at 2 digits by 2 digits. Okay? Okay. So our process does not change. We're doing the same steps. Nothing changes. Okay? Let me finish this and I got you. Okay, so we still do our, everybody take your marker. Go to the side. The left side of your board, sorry.
Okay.
Go to the left side of your board. And we're going to say, we are going to D. And when we D, we divide, right? So, right side, D for divide. Then, there you go. Then we're going to multiply. Thank you, Kendall. After we multiply, what do we do next?
Subtract.
We subtract. And after we subtract, an S, then we subtract. And then what's our last step?
Add.
Nope. We B for bring down our number. Bring it down. Okay?
Okay.
So now. Alright, so now we're going to say 22 divided by 10.
22 divided by 10.
3 times 1 is what?
3.
No, that's a 1. And 3 goes into 3 how many times? No, you had it right, you had it right, you had it right. 3 goes into 3 how many times? 3. Fix it. Okay, so 3 goes into 3 how many times?
3.
3 goes into 3 how many times?
0.
1, 2, 3.
3. 1.
Thank you. That's how you go 1, okay?
Can we have a problem?
Go ahead and raise your voice. Okay. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
So, we're going to go ahead and set it up. 10 divided by 22, excuse me. Slide your problem down to give you space so you can write your answer time. Okay, so now, can 10 go into 2?
Yes.
If I have 10, can that go into 2? So, can 10 go into 2?
Wait, yeah.
No. Yes.
So, please. If I have 2, track me. If I have 2, can I fit 10 into this?
No.
I can't, can I? So that means 10 cannot go into 2.
I'm done.
So now I'm going to put a 0 at the top in my quotient. Perfect. Yes. Awesome. Awesome.
Oh, no problem.
Okay, I got you. Go ahead and erase it. So I put a 0 at the top. So now I'm saying 0 times 10 is what?
0.
0 times 10 is what?
0.
0. So my 0 goes under the 2.
Oh.
My 0 goes under the 2. Go. It's okay. Don't worry about Molly. So, 0. So now, we've divided. We've multiplied. What's next? Same process. We divided.
Subtract.
We're going to now subtract. What are we going to subtract? Have a silent seat, ma'am, all the way down.
2 minus 0.
2 minus 0. Well, 2 minus 0 is what?
0.
Write it.
Yeah. Bring on 2 terms.
So, 2 minus 0 gives me what?
0.
I'm sorry, 2 minus 0 gives me what?
2.
2. Thank you for correcting. So now we're saying we subtracted, right?
Uh-huh.
We have to do what?
Bring our 2 down.
Bring down our 2.
So 2 minus 2.
Alright, this Golden's going to fix her 2's because they look crazy. So now we're saying, now we're saying 10 goes into what?
2.
22. Because up here we said 2, but now down here, what's our number? 22. So now we're saying can 10, now 10 goes into 22 how many times? So on the side, we're going to make our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should be making your circles 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Once you're done, let me see a thumbs up. Don't put it down so far. 2 minus 2. So we'll bring the 2 here. And make it here, okay? I'll bring it all the way down there. And then it's 2. Okay, good job. You get ready to do another one. So, how many groups of 10 can I create out of this? How many groups of 10 can I create out of this? So, how many? 2 groups. Wonderful, Desire. So, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sign papers, but what am I telling her? I'm trying to sound that way, but what is she?
1, 2.